this thumbnail, and this thumbnail I've created using ChatGPT free account and Ideogram free account. You can generate any types of viral style YouTube thumbnail using completely free account as well. I'll show you how to do this. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to make AI thumbnail for free. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper, and let's get started. So first, this is ChatGPT and this is Ideogram. In this thumbnail making process, I will use completely free resources like ChatGPT free account and Ideogram free account. And we will make thumbnail in 3 steps. First, I will generate some ideas and then I will generate prompt using ChatGPT, and after that, the final step, I will create the thumbnail using Ideogram. Let's see how to do it. First, I am logging to my ChatGPT free account. So here I'm clicking login and I'm signing up with my free account. So you see, this is my ChatGPT free account. I will use this account, and I'm now signing in into my Ideogram free account as well. So this is my Ideogram free account. For free account, I get 12 slot credit each day. So let's see how we can do this. First, I need to create some ideas using ChatGPT free account. Give me about, now I will place the video topic here, how to start a business, and we can add some other words so that we can generate some unique idea for the thumbnail. Your thumbnail quality all depends on first idea and then your thumbnail prompt. If your idea is good and your thumbnail prompt is good, you can get a very high converting, high CTR thumbnail. But if your idea is unclear and vague and your prompt is very short, then you probably not get a very good thumbnail from the AI. So to get a very high converting thumbnail, we can add some other extra power words in this prompt. Let's say call stopper high converting out of the box, click provoking or attention grabbing. Let's add it here. Ideas should be very, let's say I want to get 5 ideas first. So this is the first concept, like Brock Boss Extreme Transformation, where it will be split screen and the big text will be start here. And this is the first concept, and this is the second concept, and this is the third one concept, and then this is the fourth concept, and this is the fifth concept. First, read out each of the concept or idea and decide based on how creative these ideas are. Because if your idea is so much creative and out of the box, it will grab attention from your viewers. So make sure your idea is very good. Let's say I want to make the thumbnail using idea number 5. So now I will create another prompt here to create a high quality prompt for the idea number 5. So take idea number 5. Write me a high quality. Let's say I want to add another one, eye-catching, click provoking. Write me a high quality now YouTube long form AI thumbnail, AI viral thumbnail for my video. Now I should give the video topic here, how to start a business. Now it should be like this, and we'll add something else. Use proper vibrant color, ultra realistic facial expression, and out of the box idea or the thumbnail to make sure it will get extremely CTR. Goal is to make the video viral and get millions of views. Okay, now let's create the prompt for the idea number 5. You can add here, if you want to get any text on your thumbnail, you can add that as well in this command. So this is the prompt for my thumbnail, and now I can just copy the prompt and go to the Ideogram, and it is my free account. So first I need to select here from the 16:9 ratio of the thumbnail, and Now here select the latest model. So this is my latest model, and now I can just paste the prompt here, and if I want to make any change, I can make change in the prompt here. Let's say now try it and click in the generate button. It will cost 4 credits from your 12 credits. So let's see what happens. So it is generating thumbnails for me, and it will create 4 thumbnails each batch. So see, this is the thumbnail. It is pretty good. So see how good the thumbnail quality is. You can change the color from the prompt if you want or anything. Let's say I want to create another thumbnail prompt for the idea number, let's say 2. So I am copying the prompt here, and now I'm pasting the prompt here, and here I will give the number as, let's say, 2. I'm planning to make thumbnail for the ID number 2. Okay, just click here now, and it is making the prompt for me. So this is the prompt. So let's say now I'm trying the idea number 2 to create the thumbnail. So again, I'm clicking here and pasting the prompt here, and I can add my character or my face. So if you want to add your face in the thumbnail, you can just click here to add your image of the face, and it will generate the thumbnail with your face. So now click here, and it is generating the second badge for me. And from the previous badge, this one got my attention, as I found this thumbnail is very much professional and attractive. If you want to download this one, just click here and click the download button to download your thumbnail. So see, this is the thumbnail I have generated from the Ideogram and ChatGPT free account. And this is the second batch of thumbnail. So see the thumbnail quality. So let's say you want to use this one, you can just download it, or if you want to use another one, let's say you want this one, you can also download it. So now see how good is the thumbnail quality. Let's say I'm previewing one by one. So this is the first thumbnail we created, and this is the second thumbnail, and this is the third thumbnail. This thumbnail is awesome. So this way we can create AI thumbnail for free using ChatGPT free account and Ideogram free account. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw the comment below. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. If you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must visit tools and resources there.